creeper, Minecraft Grim Reaper, blowing up blocks like Al-Qaeda. I'm not a creature that'll eat you, but I'll leave you petrified. Peace of mind, peace of mind, sweeper. Taking on a brick and you die in the deep. I'll find your mind and my mind. Reading on the mind is finders, keepers. Oh hi, I'm a creeper. So nice to meet you, but the time is time to leave and tick tock, tick tock.
Boom, boom, boom. I can't stop singing this bloody tune, tune, tune. It's gonna make my brain go boom, boom, boom. I can't stop singing this bloody tune, tune, tune.
I do what I wanna, Riverside mama. Tick tick, I'm a suicide mama. I take control and I'm gonna leave a gaping hole. Belladonna, that'll take its toll when I'm on a quest to invade, detonate your soul. This like a lemonade and blow. So you better stay indoors or I find your mind when you're mine and all. You'll be dying, line and gore, darling, go. What you crying for? Did somebody break your diamond sword? I'm the volatilest sort, what a violent force to the frightened Spartan talk and hear Leonidas talk. When it sees me tonight, be dying indoors.
Boom, boom, boom. I can't stop singing this bloody tune, tune, tune. It's gonna make my brain go boom, boom, boom. I can't stop singing this bloody tune, tune, tune.
It's official, a ballistic missile, couldn't get this rizzle. I blow through stone like a 6-foot chisel. So you better shiver when you hear that sizzle. For shizzle, take a listen, it's a premonition on my mission. Death by demolition, if I don't come home there's a sign in my kitchen to describe why I'm missing. Gone fishing, white hot raps, I got stacks. Sometimes when I die, I drop tracks. I got a lot, fight off cat. If I'm feeling nice then I might not. Blast!
Boom, boom, boom. I can't stop singing this bloody tune, tune, tune. It's gonna make my brain go boom, boom, boom. I can't stop singing this bloody tune, tune, tune.
My hobbies and interests include going boom, boom, boom.
Hello, I'm Dan Bull. That was my song about creepers. It's called Boom 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 Boom, and you can get it on iTunes here. Now, if you like the game raps and you want to see more game raps, you can check out my channel here, and if you like the animation, you can check out Element Animation at their channel here.
Go figure, my axe and crafting table made me lost. Gold digger, bigger than Kanye and Jamie Foxx, behaving like an 80s b-boy, breaking rocks.